Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications on ClickUp. If you're finding yourself overwhelmed by constant email alerts from ClickUp, this quick adjustment will give you some peace and quiet while you focus on your work. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your ClickUp workspace. This will take you to your main dashboard where all your tasks and projects are displayed. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon sitting there, usually displaying your avatar or initials. Click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu. This menu contains various account settings and preferences that control how ClickUp behaves for you personally. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option labeled Mute Notifications. This is the feature we need to access to control your email alerts. Go ahead and click on it. This option is specifically designed to give you temporary relief from notifications without completely disabling them permanently, which is perfect for when you need focused work time. Once you click Mute Notifications, you'll see several time options appear. ClickUp gives you quite a bit of flexibility here. You can choose to mute your email notifications for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, until tomorrow, until next week. Or you can even customize it to fit your specific needs. These preset options make it super convenient to quickly silence notifications based on your schedule. Take a moment to consider what works best for your situation. If you're just heading into a meeting, 30 minutes or 1 hour might be perfect. If you're planning a deep work session or need to focus on a big project, 4 hours or until tomorrow could be more appropriate. And if you're going on vacation or taking an extended break, until next week or a custom time frame would be ideal. Simply click on the option that suits your needs. The moment you select it, your email notifications from ClickUp will be muted for that duration. You won't receive any email alerts during this time, allowing you to work without interruptions. Once the time period you selected expires, your notifications will automatically resume, so you won't miss important updates long term. And that's it. You've successfully muted your ClickUp email notifications for your chosen time frame. This simple feature can dramatically improve your focus and productivity when you need uninterrupted work time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.